Have you ever been frustrated with trying to manage data using spreadsheets or other traditional tools? So you're not alone. Many organizations struggle to keep their data organized and accessible. That's where low-code platforms like Quickbase come in. In this video, we'll be exploring what Quickbase is similar to. We'll look at other low-code platforms, traditional database management systems, and even spreadsheet software. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how Quickbase fits into the landscape of data management tools. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code platform that allows users to create custom applications without writing any code. It provides a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to build forms, reports, and workflows. Quickbase is used by a wide variety of organizations, including small businesses, large enterprises, and government agencies. What is Quickbase similar to? Low-code platforms. There are a number of other low-code platforms on the market, including FileMaker Pro, Appian, and Mendix. These platforms offer similar features and functionality to Quickbase. Traditional database management systems. Quickbase can also be used as a traditional database management system. It provides a robust set of features for storing and managing data. Spreadsheet software. Quickbase can be used as a replacement for spreadsheet software. It provides a more powerful and flexible way to manage data. How to choose the right platform for your needs. When choosing a low-code platform, it is important to consider your specific needs. Some factors to consider include the size and complexity of your data, the number of users who will need to access the platform, the level of customization you need, the budget you have available. Quickbase is a powerful and versatile low-code platform that can be used to manage a wide variety of data. It is similar to other low-code platforms, traditional database management systems, and spreadsheet software. When choosing a low-code platform, it is important to consider your specific needs. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, please visit our website or sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on low-code development.